Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IT4U. Today we are going to discuss how to create text stroke effect by using Adobe Photoshop. For this we first need to go to Adobe Photoshop. Here we have an image and we are going to add some text effect on this image. For this we firstly need to go to Select button on top menu bar. Look for the subject and click on it. It will automatically create a selection of your subject using AI. As you can see, it has selected the subject from the image. Now press Ctrl and J to create its copy. Now create a new layer. And now create a new fill with a solid color in this new layer. I am selecting black color here. Now adjust its opacity according to your background. I am selecting 70% here. Now go to the text tool and type some text. Now we are going to resize and reposition the text according to our requirement by pressing Ctrl and T. Firstly, right-click on text and rotate 90° clockwise by following the steps. Now resize and reposition it where it best suited. Here we go. Now create a copy of text layer by pressing Ctrl and J. And drag it above to the layer 1. Make sure to follow the steps of arranging layers exactly. Now we are going to add stroke on the top text layer. For this, go to the effects. Look for the stroke and click on it. Now select the stroke color to white and its size to 8 pixel, and then click OK. Now go to its fill percentage and set it to 0%. Now select text tool again and create another text layer. Here we go. Now to set the size equally of both text, go to the previous text layer, double-click on it. Look for its size parameter below the top menu bar. Copy its text size. Go to the new layer. Double-click on it. And paste the size on its parameter. Here we go. Now we need to create its copy too. So select the layer and press Ctrl and J. Now place this copy below the image layer. Make sure every time when you do this, one text layer need to set above the image layer, and one has to set below the image layer to create this amazing effect. Now select both new text layers by pressing Ctrl button and mouse click. Now press Ctrl and T. Right-click on it and rotate 90° clockwise. Now set the both new text layers beside the previous layer. Here we go. Now go to the previous text layer on which we have added stroke effect. Right-click on it, and look for Copy Layer Style, and click on it. Now go to the new text layer which is above the image layer. Right-click on it and look for Paste Layer Style, and click on it. This is an easy way when you want to copy same layer style to another layer. Now select all text layers by pressing Ctrl and mouse click. Now press Ctrl and T to resize and reposition all text layers equally. Now, I am resizing and repositioning the text layers where it best suited. Here we go, our creative text stroke effect has been created. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. For more related videos, comments us on comment box. And must subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.